The Stranger's Test, a story of love and trust. Chapter 1, The Happy Couple. In a quiet village, surrounded by green fields and soft hills, lived a kind and poor couple named Rahim and Layla. Their home was small, made of mud bricks, with a thatched roof and wooden door. But it was filled with love. Rahim worked as a carpenter, making chairs and tables from old wood. Layla planted vegetables in their little garden and helped other women in the village with sewing. They did not have much, but they smiled every day. They were thankful for the life they had. "We may not be rich," Layla said, "but our hearts are full." Every morning they sat together for tea, laughing, planning, and dreaming. Chapter 2, A Stranger in the Village. One day a stranger came to the village. He looked different, clean clothes, shiny shoes, and a polite voice. "My name is Musa," he said. "I've been traveling and need a place to rest." Rahim and Layla, always kind, offered him food and a place to sleep. They gave him a blanket and a mat near the fireplace. Musa smiled, but behind his eyes was jealousy. He didn't like seeing their happiness. The next day, Musa began to whisper to villagers. "Rahim is hiding money," he said. "He keeps secrets from Layla." The villagers began to wonder, could it be true? Even Layla looked at Rahim with confused eyes. Chapter 3, Doubt in the Heart. That evening, Layla asked Rahim a painful question. "Is it true? Do you hide things from me?" Rahim's face fell. He was shocked. "Layla, I would never lie to you." Layla sat in silence. She felt ashamed for asking. Rahim walked outside, thinking, hurting, but still calm. The next morning, Rahim stood in the middle of the village. "Ask me anything," he said. "You have known me for years. I have no secrets." An old woman spoke. "I saw Musa speaking to people alone." His words changed with every person. Now the villagers understood. Musa had tried to turn them against Rahim. Chapter 4, Truth Revealed. When people asked Musa about his words, he became angry. "You are all fools," he shouted. "I only wanted to see if you were honest." But no one believed him now. His lies were clear. The village elder told him, "You are not welcome here." Musa packed his things and left, looking back only once. He saw Rahim standing tall, with Layla beside him. The villagers came to Rahim and Layla with apologies and gifts. "We are sorry," they said. "We should have trusted you." Layla forgave them. Rahim smiled. "Even the best hearts can be tricked," he said. "But truth always returns." Chapter 5, Peace and Trust. Life returned to normal. The village grew closer after the storm of lies. Rahim built a wooden bench in the center of the village. Layla planted flowers around it. It became a place where people sat, talked, and remembered. Kindness is stronger than lies. Trust is stronger than doubt. Rahim and Layla were still poor, but respected, loved, and happy. They taught others that even when people try to destroy peace, truth and love can rebuild it again. Vocabulary list: carpenter, meaning a person who makes or repairs wooden objects. Example: Rahim worked as a carpenter in the village. Stranger, meaning someone you do not know. Example: a stranger came to the village and asked for shelter. Whisper, meaning to speak very softly. Example: Musa whispered lies to the villagers, ashamed. Meaning feeling guilty or embarrassed about something. Example: Layla felt ashamed for doubting her husband. Jealousy, meaning a feeling of wanting what someone else has. Example: Musa's heart was filled with jealousy when he saw their happy life. Doubt, meaning a feeling of not being sure or not trusting. Example: Doubt entered Layla's mind after hearing Musa's words. Apology, meaning word said to show you are sorry. Example, the villagers gave their apologies to Rahim and Layla. Respect, meaning a feeling of deep admiration for someone. Example, Rahim earned the respect of the whole village. Closer meaning more connected emotionally or in relationship. Example, the hard times brought the villagers closer. Truth, meaning the real facts about something. Example, in the end, the truth came out. Forgive, meaning to stop feeling angry with someone who has done wrong. Example, Layla forgave the villagers for doubting them. Welcome, meaning to greet or receive someone with kindness. Example, they welcomed the stranger into their home. Calm, meaning peaceful, not angry or nervous. Example, Rahim stayed calm even when people doubted him. Kindness, meaning the quality of being friendly and generous. Example, their kindness was stronger than any lies. Trust, meaning belief in someone's honesty or ability. Example, Rahim and Layla's marriage was built on trust. Lie, meaning a false statement made to deceive. Example, Musa told lies about Rahim.